Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve problem 10-86 that is taken from chapter number 10, Strain Transformation, and book name is Mechanics of Material by R.C. Hibbeler, 9th edition. And this problem is related to the topic theory of failure. So statement is the principal stresses acting at a point on a thin walled cylinder pressure vessel are PR divided by T is sigma 1 and sigma 2 is PR divided by 2T and sigma 3 is equal to 0. If the yield stress is sigma y, determine the maximum value of P based on maximum shear stress theory, and in part B you have to find P using the maximum distortion energy theory. So let's start with the solution. So first we will solve this equation by using maximum shear stress theory, which is also known as MSS theory. Okay, as we have been given sigma 1, sigma 2 and sigma 3, so what you are going to do is that first we will plot these three stresses. On x-axis you can take normal stress, and on y-axis you can have shear stress. Now you can see, for example, if this is sigma 2, at this point we have sigma 2, and this point we have 2 is, and in this point, for example, we have sigma 1, because you can see that sigma 1 is greater than sigma 2 and sigma 3 is equal to 0, so sigma 3 will be this point. This will be equal to 0. And if you draw a Mohr circle between sigma 1 and sigma 2, it will be like this. And Mohr circle between sigma 2 and sigma 3 will be like this. And Mohr circle between sigma 1 and sigma 3 will be like this. So from this, you can see from this, the maximum shear stress will be this one, and we can write this maximum shear stress is equal to sigma 1 minus sigma 3 divided by 2. So it will be sigma 3 is 0, so sigma 1 minus 0 divided by 2. And we can write this maximum shear stress will be equal to sigma 1 divided by 2. Okay, now from MSS theory, we know that your maximum shear stress should be less or equal to shear stress in uniaxial tensile test, which is equal to sigma yield divided by 2. So your this maximum shear stress is going to less or equal to sigma yield divided by 2. And here you can see your maximum shear stress is sigma 1 divided by 2. It should be less or equal. Since we are going to find out this value P, so we will equate it. It will be equal to sigma yield divided by 2. So from here we can get sigma 1 is equal to sigma yield. As we know that as sigma 1 is equal to PR divided by T, so we can write this PR divided by T will be equal to sigma yield. And from here, what you are going to do, you are interested to find out P. So P will be equal to sigma yield multiplied by T divided by R. And this is the value of pressure in the thin wall pressure vessel using MSS. Now what we are going to do is that we will find this pressure in the pressure vessel using maximum distortion energy theory. So for that we have this formula. Since sigma 3 is equal to 0, so it will be only having sigma 1 and sigma 2. So we have formula that sigma 1 square minus sigma 1 into sigma 2 plus sigma 2 square will be equal to sigma yield square. This is the formula for maximum distortion energy theory. So sigma 1 is PR divided by T whole square minus sigma 1 is PR divided by T, and sigma 2 is PR divided by 2T plus PR divided by 2T whole square will be equal to sigma yield square. So I will get P square R square divided by T square minus P square R square divided by 2T square plus P square R square divided by 4T square is equal to sigma yield square. Okay, so what we are going to do is that we will take LCM. So this will be 4T square. So 4T square divided by T square will be equal to 4. So it will be multiply with this term. So it will be 4P square R square minus 4T square divided by 2T square is 2, and it will multiply with the up numerator. So it will be 2P square R square plus this will give you P square R square is equal to sigma yield square. Now you can see 4 plus 2, 4 minus 2 is 2 plus PR square. So it will be 3P square R square divided by 4T square is equal to sigma yield square. So from here, this P square will be equal to sigma yield square multiplied by 4T square divided by 3R square. Okay. So if you want to find the P, so taking the square root on both sides, if we square root on both sides, so we will get this P will be equal to sigma yield will be outside multiplied by 2T will be also outside divide by R will be also outside, and we will only left with under root 3 in the denominator. Okay, so we can write this P will be equal to 2T into sigma Y divided by under root 3 multiplied by R. So this is the value of pressure in the thin wall pressure cylinder using the maximum distortion energy theory. And this was all about this problem 10-86. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have learned from it. Those who are new to my channel, then subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get notification about my latest videos. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching.